Good morning, everybody. We are here to propose a budget for the grand opening of Ontario's cannabis store, the first dispensary store. I would like to introduce my team members, myself Manveen, and my team members includes Nimrat Preet Kaur and Gurkaran. And we believe good fortune is what happens when opportunity meets with planning. So the theme that we selected is Woodstock, and the venue is Evergreen Bricks Works, which opened its doors in 2010. We have chosen this venue as it is demonstration hub where world can experience sustainable practices that enable flourishing cities of the future. Moreover, it connects citizens, business, academia, and government to turn what-ifs into how-tos, and that would eventually shape our country better. Next, for the food and beverage, we have selected food catering company named Treeline Company and bar service company, which is known as Sabbar, which includes rentals, staff, and applicable landmark fees. The next part will be taken up by Nimratpreet Kaur.
The most important for a grand opening is to get the target right. And for achieving that target, we have our marketing plan, which will be done as using social media inscriptions, print media posted on Toronto Metro Journal, and radio announcements on Virgin Radio. Our target will be men and women from 19 to 35 years old who are living in Toronto GTA. Our main focus to the target is to get them relax, enjoy, and have fun using weed, but not as a medical purpose. Next, we have entertainment. And as our target, entertainment is our main focus to provide fun and relaxed moment to our guests. For entertainment, we will have Bongo and Bee, who are the best form to give excitement from sizzling Brazilian samba to high wit establishing jazz outfits. They do live exhibition and as well provide the best DJs to make the event memorable one. We also have live band The Jade Monkey, and with that we have Black Mirror Canvas for our guests to get creative and leave their marks. This inspiration has come from John Lennon Wall in Prague. So the next part will be continued by Gurkaran Singh.
So now I will like to present the budget for the event, which includes venue, theme, food and beverage, marketing, and entertainment. So venue is like $60,000, followed by the theme, which is $7,000. Food and beverage is almost around $21,241.25, and marketing is $1,000, and the entertainment is about $80 per hour for each member, and this sums up to $84,561.25.
Thank you for your attention, and we'd like to look forward to finalize the proposal with you, and we hope that you give us a chance to serve you and provide you the best experience. Thank you.